The 49th International Exhibition of Inventions of Geneva is underway from Wednesday to Sunday, with over 1,000 invention projects hailing from nearly 40 countries and regions. A significant highlight of this year's event is the presence of 197 invention projects organized by the China Association of Inventions. The inventions span an impressive array of fields, including machinery, metallurgy, medicine, environmental protection, renewable energy, electronics, construction, and transportation.
Light display is a very comfortable solution. It generates a huge screen at 6 meters, and you can really spend your whole day working at the office with such solution. So
我们带来的产品就是这款轻动力的无人机，那么它主要就是应对了咱们现在主流锂电池无人机一个续航的一个痛点。那么我们的这款产品可以实现2个小时、3个小时，甚至更长的一个续航。
The International Exhibition of Inventions of Geneva was founded in the 1970s and is one of the longest and largest invention exhibitions in the world.